Sabi mo, happy birthday, Shana.
Happy birthday, Shana.
Uy, ang galing naman.
Say happy birthday. Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Very good!
Ay, sa Jay din.
Birthday daw yan.
Hindi po kay mami lang siya maglaro.
Busy. Mas gusto pa yata mag-play eh.
Happy birthday, Shana! Thank you! Oh, wait lang. Balloon lang talaga gusto niya.
Come here.
You say happy birthday first. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Thank you!
Ikaw, you say happy birthday, ha? You say happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday. Oh, thank you.
Thank you!
Say thank you.
Si balong niya.
Thank you! Thank you po! Alright, go! Ayun o, hawak ka ng balloon. Bayin mo na yung balloon. Okay, next.
Ayan o, wow!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Wala pang blue. Ano mo, pang boy po. Pang boy lang po?
Happy birthday, Shana! Do you love it? Do you love the green balloon?
Where's the balloon? Uy, balloon? What color is your balloon? What color?
Yellow.
Do you love it, Shana? Ah, do you like it? The green balloon? Oh, be careful. Yung mata mo. Baka matusok yung mata, oh. Do you like it, Shana? Ha? Shana? Hi, Shana. What color is it, Shana? Happy birthday, Shana. Happy birthday. Ano siya nagsalita? Hindi. Galing nang magsalita ah.
May tumbler na siya? Wala pa. May tumbler. Dalawa na dalawa. Thank you.
Ito may tumbler pa yan eh.
Hey! May tumbler! Galing oh, color green. Favorite color mo yan?
Saan yan?
Shana, is this your favorite color? Or pineapple? Na, Shana. Thank you, Shana.
Wala.
Very responsive.
Oo. Wala ka makukuha.
Precise. Sagot siya? Tama, no? Oh! Dance, dance, dance.
Huwag na daw.
Okay lang. Dance, dance, please. Kanya-kanyang banat mo po. Ayok lang. Wow! Huling-huli sa camera! Grabe! Wow! Wow! Yung mga bata! Wow! Huling-huli oh! Bata! Bata pa ako! Batang isip! Kinalaban ng mga bata talaga. Wow! Tingnan nyo. Huling-huli. Pero hindi kulong. Grabe!
Grabe! Puntok na ako! Hindi ko
Uwi na ba? Tapos na. Wala nang games. Pauwi na po lahat. Tignan nyo naman, ito na yung Miss Universe candidate number 1 ng Collado. Okay. When... Nag-English na ako.
Wow!
Ayun!
Wow, English!
When? When lang.
When
sagot?
global...
Ano sagot mo pag when? Dugtungan mo.
Ano topic?
Kahit ano. O sige, magsasabi ako ng mga 5 W's at saka H. Tara ba? Oh, what? Anong magandang sagot?
What do you get if poverty continues to grow and ano ba? Hindi ka madugtong? Blanco.
Okay.
Oh, ito.
Where?
Where?
Oh, challenge to, challenge. Kung sino may magandang question, ha? Na ma-produce. Oo, na question na ma-produce. Okay. Alright. Para kay Zach. Who?
Let's play! Alright, one more.
One, two.
Who played the best Spider-Man role?
Okay. Oh.
Hindi ako!
Why? One. Uy, sige. Tara.
You say hi to Shana! Alright, you say hi to... Ako si Germaze! Uy, Jaden! Alright, so let's have a solo photo muna with Shana and Germaze. Ayan, solo picture muna tayo. Ayan, yung mga ibang kids natin, later tayo sa picture. Come on.
Do you like Shana?
Sige.
Kami buwan niya lang sa'yo sana. Mami, buwan mo na lang. Okay. And Oshana!
Ready, 1, 2,
Oy,
3.
happy si Shana. Happy birthday!
Ayun, okay.
Hug! Hug mo! Kiss mo! Kiss mo! Malambot?
Okay, ready, 1, 2, 3. Ayan, lahat naman ng kids natin.
Lahat ng kids.
Kids, go kids!
Lahat daw ng kids.
Go, Toro. Say hi.
Isa ka doon, punta ka doon. Lahat ng kids. Lahat ng kids daw. Ikaw.
Cameraman po natin, ayan po, backward lang po. Atras po na. Ayan, atras po kayo. Ayan, yung magtitig po ng picture mo, backward lang po. Ayan, thank you. Ayan, give is backward.
Closer po tayo! Closer!
Give is backward.
Ayan! Okay, sige, closer na.
Okay, ready?
Okay,
1, 2, 3, smile!
Punta ka doon. Hug nyo.
Okay naman po, sige po.
Hug nyo si Grim.
Okay doon.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Hug nyo. Hug nyo si Grimace. Hug. Yan, hug nyo, please. Hug nyo, yay. Hug nyo si
Alright, thank
Grimace.
you so much. Okay, so, ayun, let's have dance showdown with Grimace. Okay, so let's dance with Grimace.
Oh, dance daw, dance.
Oh, dance. Oh, dance. Oh, dance ka. Ikaw, dance ka? Oh, dance. Very good. Oh, dance ka. Dance.
Oh, may sample pa. Sana. Wow.
Isa pa po, one more dance with Kimi. How about this? Okay? Alright, guys, come on! Palakpakan niyo naman si Kimi sa Come on, come on, Kimi!